French.
Bonjour. Comment allez-vous?
Ça va bien, merci.
Comment allez-vous?
Ça va.
Merci, comment allez-vous?
Ça va, Bennett? Okay, so
Bonjour, madame.
bonjour, Nihal. All of you keep your cameras on your camera. And those who have textbook, you can keep your textbook in front of you.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour. In the last class, you remember, we completed that words from page number 22, we completed till zebra, we learned. Did you practice? Did you all practice?
Yes.
Yes,
madam.
Okay, Dako. Okay. So those who have textbook, take your textbook page number 21. The Dolemua page number 20. Page number 20. Everyone, page number 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready? Okay. Dhyan, read from page number 20. Dhyan. Read from page number 20.
Ma'am,
Arrow, baby, polka, ding dong, elephant, formal, giraffe, igloo.
Dhyan, on with Wilfred from page number 21. Wilfred.
Igloo, jaguar, kangaroo, leo, nid, oiso, paraquet, two,
Trebia, Wilfred. On with Tirtha from page number 22. Tirtha.
Yes, ma'am. Rose,
Sanj.
Sanj, tigre, uniform, wash, wagon, telephone, yash,
Zebra.
zebra,
Zebra. Dako. Mitra, read from page number 22. Mitra.
rose, Sanja, tigre, uniform, wash, wagon, telephone, yash, zebra.
Trebia, Mitra. Sivanedia, and Roy, Sancho, Evelyn, keep your cameras on. Chaitanya.
3 p.m.
On Sweet Tom Sadi, read from page number 22. Siddhivinayak, on your camera, Sancho, Krishna.
Rose,
Yes.
Sanj, tigre, uniform, wash, wagon, telephone, yacht, zebra.
Zebra. Trebia, Tom, Arav, read. 22. Arav, read.
Ma'am, Muhammad Ali can read.
Wait. Where is Arav?
Rose,
Yeah, Rose.
Sanj, tigre, uniform, wash, wagon.
It's not wagon. Everyone, listen. I heard one more person also reading as wagon. N will be silent. Okay. So pronunciation will be wagon. Nasal sound like that. Wagon.
Wagon.
Rebiaro. Xylophone.
Telephone. Wash.
Yash.
Yash. Zebra.
Not zebra. Ze. E with the accent grave. Pronunciation is ze. Zebra.
Zebra.
Dako Ara practice. Ensuite, Muhammad Ali.
Muhammad read after the Rose.
Mm. Mm.
Tiger.
Tigre.
Tigre.
Mm.
Uniform.
Mm.
Wash.
Mm.
Wago.
Trebia Ali. Okay, now Bennett.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Rose, sun, tigre, uniform, wash, wagon, xylophone, yacht, zebra.
Trebia Bennett. Chaitanya.
Ma'am, Muhammad Ali can read the xylophone. No.
Yeah, read.
Xylophone. Yash. Zebra.
Dako Trebia Ali. Ensuite, whom I called Chaitanya.
Aeroplane,
Mm.
baby,
Mm.
coca,
Mm.
ding dong, elephant,
Mm.
fromage, giraffe, igloo, jaguar, kangaroo, lion, miel,
Mm.
nid,
Mm.
oiso, peroque, Q,
Mm.
rose,
Mm.
conch,
Mm.
tigre,
Mm.
uniform,
Mm.
wash,
Mm.
wagon,
Mm.
xylophone,
Mm.
yash, zebra.
Trebia Chaitanya. Okay, all of you keep your cameras on. Ritika, Anshuka, Siddhivinayak, Santom, Etina, keep your cameras on.
Ma'am, Evelyn can read.
Okay, now no, Evelyn, we are going to start new topic. Okay, we'll start new topic. Everyone, you can remove that hand raise symbol from the screen. Anurag, Evina, Nihal, okay, you can remove the hand raise symbol from the screen. And today we are going to learn few greetings. When you meet a person, how will you greet them? How will you wish them? We are going to see today. How can you wish them in French? Advait, don't do that, Advait. Okay. Then those who have, if your textbook is open, please close your textbook. Close your textbook, everyone. You don't have to write this now, okay? It is there in a textbook, so you don't have to write now. Just listen and practice the pronunciation with me. Okay, so for greetings in French, the word is salutatio. Salutatio. The heading, le salutatio, means greetings. What is salutatio? Le salutatio means greetings. Le salutatio. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Le salutatio. Salutatio. No one is repeating. Why? Repeat. Le salu. Salutatio here. S will be silent here, and also here this S will be silent. This le is an article. Les, le is an article. In English subject we have articles, right? Definite article, indefinite article. Like that same way in French also we have articles. So the first small word les is an article. Now what is the meaning of that article? How we will put that? We will see later. But you just keep in mind that is a article. Just for you to understand now. Okay. So the pronunciation of this word is le salutatio.
Le
Le salutazio. See, it is very easy to pronounce, right? S-A. Pronunciation is sa. L-U. Pronunciation is lu. Then, then T-A. Ta. Salu, ta. The next word, next letters we are having is T-I-O-N-S. These are this we will pronounce in English. In English, when we are having this word T-I-O-N. Okay, in English, if we are having this word T-I-O-N, how will we pronounce it? We will pronounce this as Shen. But in French, when you have T-I-O-N together, pronunciation will be C-O. C-O. When you have T-I-O-N together in French, pronunciation will be C-O. So, the pronunciation of this word is salutazio. Salutazio. Répétez s'il vous plaît.
Salutazio.
Yes. Now I will write one word. Okay. That word is in French itself. I want to read. I want you to read. Okay. I will write. I'm going to write. Wait.
Salutazio.
Please mute. Okay. How will you read this?
Information.
But this is not in English. I have written this word in French. Okay. This word is how this your information is right. But information pronunciation in English. Now, information is having same spelling in French also. In French also for information, the same spelling. But how will you pronounce it?
Informatio.
We. Who said that? Chaitanya?
Chaitanya.
Très bien, Chaitanya. Informatio. Très bien, Chaitanya. Because I told you now, when you have T-I-O-N together, pronunciation will be C-O. So, pronunciation is informatio. Très bien, Chaitanya. Now, one more word. The same way. Okay, one more word. Others, please do try. Yes.
Communicia.
Communicio. No, there is one, this word, this one you missed it. C-A-T.
Comunicacio.
We, très bien. Again, Chaitanya? Yes, très bien, Chaitanya. Communicacio. Communicacio. So, this information and communication I just wrote so that you to understand the pronunciation of this one. Okay, so when you have T-I-O-N together, pronunciation will be C-O. When you have T-I-O-N, pronunciation will be C-O. Le salutazio. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Le salutazio. Okay, I will do one thing. We'll break and learn how to pronounce it. Okay, repeat everyone. Le salutazio. Again, we'll break like this and read. Okay, le salutazio. Now you can read together. Okay, now let me ask you. Qu'est-ce que c'est salutazio? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est salutation?
Greetings.
Greetings. D'accord. Très bien, Chaitanya. Salutation means greetings. Salutation means greetings. Wishes. How will you wish them? Okay. So the first one which is written here is salute. Salute. The spelling is S-A-L-U-T. But when you pronounce this,
Ma'am, salute means hi.
yes, salute means hi. When you pronounce this, T will be silent. Here, the ending letter T will be silent. If you pronounce that T there, pronunciation will be salute. Okay, but this word is not salute. T will be silent. We will not pronounce it. Pronunciation is salute. We are a,
I have a doubt.
yes, dear. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
1 minute.
Ma'am, I joined late.
D'accord, we just started their greetings. Okay. So, first one, salute. Oh, yeah, Arav, come on.
And is
Arav,
just about options.
about
And greeting means now wish.
wishes, not the bad wishes. When you see your what will say, yeah, when you see your teachers, when you see your elders, you will greet them, right? How will you wish them? You will say good evening. Those things, greetings. Actually. Okay.
Bonjour.
The same way greetings we are going to learn. So first one is salute. Salute means hi. Now, when you come to school, when the school opens, when you will come to school, you will see your friends. How will you greet them? You will say,
Bonjour.
not bonjour. You are seeing your friends. You are going to greet your friends. Yes, salute. Yes. When you see your friends, will you say good morning? No, you will say hi. Right. Yeah.
Yes.
So to greet your friends, how will you greet your friends? You will say salute. Yes, everyone wave your hands and say salute. Okay. Okay. So salute means salute means hi. How will you greet your friends? You will say salute. T will be silent. Okay. Then next one is bonjour. Bonjour. Yes. So, qu'est-ce que c'est bonjour?
Good morning.
Good morning. Yes. And that is how you greet your
Teachers.
teachers.
Teachers
Not
and
only,
parents.
yes, teachers, your elders. If you are seeing your chairman, sir, then how will you greet him?
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Yes, bonjour. If you're seeing your uncle, then how will you greet him?
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Yes. So to greet your elders, your teachers, your parents, and everyone, you have to use bonjour. Okay. Okay. Let me know. How many of you say bonjour to your parents when you wake up? Bonjour. Like that. Raise your hands. Okay, Wilfred used to say bonjour. Very good. Bennett used to say yes. Mitra. Okay, Krishna. Very good. Okay, Joseph Sebi also. Oh yeah, many. Okay, so if you say like that, you will also learn, and now your parents will also learn how to say good morning in French, right? Yeah. Okay, so all these things, small words that you are learning, you can practice with your parents. Okay, yes. So salute is to say hi, and that is to your only your friends. Will you say salute to your teacher?
No.
No, you won't say salute to your teacher. Will you say hi, teacher? No. You have to say good morning, right? Bonjour. That is a respect to elders. For your elders, you can only use bonjour. Okay. Then the third one is bonsoir. Bonsoir. Qu'est-ce que c'est bonsoir?
Good evening.
Good evening. Yes. Here, bonsoir, ending letter R will be silent. Ending letter R will be silent. And when you have letters O, I together, pronunciation will be ua. 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 So, bonsoir. Bonsoir. D'accord. Bonsoir means good evening. In the evening time, if you want to say good evening, so how will you say good evening, ma'am? Good evening, ma'am. How will you say?
Bonjour.
Bonsoir, madame.
Bonsoir, madame.
D'accord, d'accord. Très bien. Now, the fourth one, the last word we are going to learn today, that is the fourth one, bienvenue. Bienvenue. When qu'est-ce que c'est bienvenue? Welcome. Have you ever heard this before? When? Yes, welcome. I used to say this in the class, right? When you say merci, madame, what will I say? Bienvenue. Yes. So when you say merci, I will say bienvenue. The same way. Bienvenue means welcome. Okay, now I am going to mute everyone for some time and we are going to practice the pronunciation. All of you repeat after me. Les salutations. Salut. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Bienvenue. Again, les salutations. Salut. Bonjour. Bienvenue. There's only more. I skipped one word. That is bonsoir. Then bienvenue. I am going to unmute all. Repeat after me, all of you. Les salutations. Salut. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Bienvenue. Again, repeat after me. Les salutations. Salut. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Bienvenue. Are everyone is repeating, right? Don't be quiet there. If you want to pronounce it properly, everyone have to repeat after me. Again, les salutations. Salut. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Bienvenue. Okay. Now, if there is anyone, those who, okay, everyone, you take your rough book. All of you, take your rough book. Take your rough book and write and study the words we learned today. That is first one, this one, les salutations. Then second one is salut. Third one, bonjour. Fourth one, bonsoir. And fifth one is bienvenue. 5 words we learned today, this week. Okay. So you have to learn the spelling. Write and study, everyone. 5 times. 5 times in your rough book along with the meaning. Meanings also you have to write and study. See everyone, this week we are only learning 5 words, right? So you must learn the pronunciation and the spelling, meanings of these 5 words this week itself. Okay. And in the next week, you will have a reading test. Did I told you about that? Reading test? There will be a reading test. You have to practice and come page numbers 20, 21 and 22 for your reading test. Okay? Prepare and come. Reading test page numbers.
Ma'am, how many times we want to write and study?
5 times. 5 times write and study. Reading test will be there for page number 20, 21 and 22 in the next week for everyone. And also there will be written test also will be there for these page numbers. But the written test is not there in the next week. I will let you know about the written test. Okay. So but now itself you all can write and study and practice the spellings. I am informing you early so that you can prepare well.
Ma'am, can you send the note?
Yes, already these notes are already there in the WhatsApp. WhatsApp I uploaded, and also the school website I uploaded the half of the notes. Half of the notes means part 1 notes I uploaded. This much whatever we learned, I already uploaded the notes. You can take it from that school website. It is there.
Okay, ma'am.
You mean watch it on YouTube and practice from it?
Yeah, you can do that also.
Next week we have written exam.
Yeah, written exam will be there, written test will be there. I will let you know. Okay. And from this time onwards, PT2, term 2, for exams, you will have French also. Okay. PT2 and term 2 exam, there will be French. So you prepare. Don't think that French is not important. It is no need to study. Test won't be there. Don't think like that. Evina Rose, can you unmute and read?
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Ma'am, what's the pronunciation of greetings?
Le salutatio.
Le salutatio.
Then.
You.
Mm.
Bonjour.
That we can to write.
Yes, that also you have to write and study. I put numbers. Yes, Evina, come on.
Le salutatio. Salut. Bonjour.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Bienvenue.
Bienvenue.
Again, read again, dear.
Le salutatio. Salut. Bonjour.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Bienvenue.
Bienvenue.
Read, dear Evina. Om Sudmitra, read.
Le salutatio. Greeting. Salut. Hi. Bonjour. Good morning. Bonsoir. Good evening. Bienvenue.
Trebia, Mitra. One more person. Then Jennifer, read.
Ma'am, Santo will read.
Jennifer, read.
Le salutatio.
Mm.
Greetings.
Mm.
Salut.
Mm.
Hi.
Mm.
Bonjour.
Mm.
Good morning.
Mm.
Bonsoir. Good evening. Bienvenue. Welcome.
Très bien, Jennifer. Okay, children, I will just quickly take the attendance now. After that, if we have time, I will make you read. Okay, so you can write and study now. When I call your name, please give attendance. Okay, in front itself, you have to say.